You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly the name of this confusing name of an Austrian composer. If you want to learn more confusing names from classical music, I've got more videos for you. Stay tuned. Carl, you probably knew that. Czerny, that's also the German pronunciation, or Austrian. Obviously, they speak German in Austria. Carl, Czerny, yes, that's how you pronounce it. I put the phonetic spelling on your screen. C-H-U-R, an schwa sound. Czerny. Carl Czerny. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.